Tired of rough, frizzy hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine running your fingers through hair that's silky, smooth, and glossy, just like in shampoo commercials. But is it really possible? The answer is yes. And today, I'll show you exactly how to achieve that soft, sleek, and shiny look, no expensive treatments needed. Stick around till the end because I'll share a secret ingredient that can instantly transform your hair overnight. Step 1. The right shampoo and conditioner. Let's start with the basics, your shampoo and conditioner. If you're using the wrong ones, your hair will never be silky. Here's what to do. Choose sulfate-free shampoos to avoid harsh chemicals that strip away natural oils. Pick a shampoo with keratin, silk proteins, or argan oil. These ingredients smooth the hair cuticle. Always follow up with a moisturizing conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. And here's a golden rule: never apply shampoo to dry ends, it dries them out even more. Step 2. The right washing technique. Washing your hair the right way makes a huge difference. Here's how. Use lukewarm water. Hot water strips natural oils, making hair dry. Massage your scalp gently for 2 to 3 minutes to boost circulation and promote healthy growth. Rinse with cold water at the end to seal the hair cuticle and add instant shine. Step 3. Deep conditioning and hair masks. If you want silky hair, deep conditioning is a must. Once or twice a week, use a hydrating hair mask with ingredients like aloe vera for hydration, honey to lock in moisture, coconut oil to reduce protein loss. Apply it from mid-lengths to ends, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse with cold water for maximum softness. Step 4. The magic of hair oils. Oiling your hair is a game changer for silky, healthy strands. Some of the best oils for silky hair include argan oil. Instantly smooths frizz and adds shine. Coconut oil deeply nourishes and strengthens. Almond oil, lightweight yet hydrating. Massage warm oil into your scalp and hair, leave it for at least an hour, or overnight for deeper treatment, and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Step 5. Drying your hair correctly. Did you know the way you dry your hair affects its texture? Here's what to do. Ditch the rough towel drying, it causes frizz and breakage. Instead, use a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt. Let your hair air dry naturally as much as possible. If you must use a blow dryer, always apply heat protectant spray and use the cold air setting. Step 6. Brushing and detangling the right way. Brushing your hair wrong can make it rough and frizzy. Here's how to do it correctly. Use a wide tooth comb on wet hair to prevent breakage. Start from the ends and work your way up. If your hair is dry, use a boar bristle brush to distribute natural oils and add shine. Step 7. Avoiding heat damage. Excessive heat styling is one of the biggest reasons for dull, rough hair. Here's how to protect your strands. Reduce heat usage, try heatless curls and styling methods. If using hot tools, always apply a heat protectant spray. Keep heat settings at a low to medium temperature, never max heat. Step 8. The secret overnight hack for silky hair. Want to wake up with silky, tangle-free hair? Try this simple nighttime routine. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase to prevent friction. Apply a few drops of serum to your ends before bed. Loosely braid your hair to prevent breakage while sleeping. Step 9. Diet and hydration for healthy hair. Silky hair isn't just about products, it starts from the inside. Here's what you need. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Eat foods rich in biotin, omega-3, and protein, like nuts, eggs, and salmon. Take a collagen or biotin supplement if needed. Bonus: the ultimate DIY hair serum. And now, here's the secret formula for a DIY silky hair serum. Mix 1 tablespoon argan oil, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Apply a few drops to your damp hair, focusing on the ends. It instantly smooths frizz and adds a salon-like shine. And that's it. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll notice your hair transforming into silky, healthy strands in no time. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hair care secrets. See you in the next one.